Just pick up what you pick up and do it your way. That's why I give always a few thoughts with it, that you can, in a way, let these thoughts sink into your body and try to experience to do it in your way. And the effect comes not from doing it perfectly, it comes from what you try. Your body understands what you try, and then it says, oh, I can do this much better, come on, I show you. I do this for you. And because it's so big, our body, it's energy, it's not just for one day, he will just show it us for a longer period of time. So and for this reason, I give some thoughts that you know what you could try.